Perplexity Comet versus the browser. So in this video, we'll review which is the best among these two right here. So first, let's go over to Perplexity Comet. So Perplexity Comet excels at agentic automation, such as navigating the web and taking action, which is great for research and complex tasks. While the browser offers a more refined and personalized user experience with strong workflow management integrations for deep personalization, although it has a more limited hardware requirement. When you head over to diabrowser.com, you can click onto this Get Early Access option, and from in there, you just need to actually meet or answer this type form that they will give you in order to sign up or join the wait list to meet the Dia browser. Input right here your actual email address and click on OK because currently it's on beta. Now, if you have an ARC membership, you can download the ad there. Now, in here, Comet offers traditional browser features with an AI assistant on the side, whereas Dia is an AI first, focusing on deep context, organization, and personalized workflow over simple browsing. So if you're into research, I actually recommend Dear Browser, but if you just want to integrate AI in your daily life, Perplexity AI Comet is the great thing for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.